What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, I got a real gem literally this time for y'all. This is absolutely ridiculous. If you watched my video that I put up 2 days ago about me creating my own cryptocurrency, a lot has changed. So I made that video and specifically told people not to buy the coin. I did not put a link to go buy it. I did not put the contract address in the description. The only way they could have seen the contract address is if they went and watched my video and typed out that long phrase of numbers and letters and got the contract address themselves. And they did. A lot of people, causing the coin to do way more than I would have ever imagined. So many things has happened in the past couple of days with this coin. So many, it's actually mind-boggling. I'm actually mind-blown. I'm very excited to share with you guys. If you're excited for this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell, because this one is about to be a great one. It's not even just gonna be a good one, it's gonna be a great one. So without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into it, y'all know me, man, you know what I'm saying? I am the gem hunter. I did make the gem coin, but I am also a gem hunter. I know how to get these 10x's, 20x's, 30x's. If you want to be part of all my trades, join my Patreon. You know what I'm saying? Patreon.com/Joovier's gems. Every time I buy a coin, every time I sell a coin, take profit. You want to see all my crypto holdings, man? Patreon. That's it. You know what I'm saying? But you don't really have to if you don't want to, because I'm still dropping free gems on here. All you have to do is really subscribe, and you really in the sauce. You in the family at that point. But for real, let's hop right into this juicy video, because this about to be a banger. Alright, so boom, there's literally so much I have to talk about. I'm going to try and not ramble as much as possible, but it is a lot that has happened the past day and a half with this Gemify token that I expected to not do anything at all. After 2 hours of the video being public, somebody hits me up. They're like, yo, Joovier, gem is pumping. I'm like, what are you talking about? You sound stupid. You know what I'm saying? Because I specifically told people in the video not to buy the coin. That's your problem. You don't listen. I knew your parents wasn't lying when they said you don't listen. You need to learn to listen. This is ridiculous. And a lot of people didn't listen because a lot of people bought it. We'll get into that a little bit later. But 2 hours in, $50,000 market cap on my coin. I'm like, what the heck is going on? You know what I'm saying? Who was stupid enough to buy this coin? Fast forward another 4 hours, $200,000 market cap. I'm like, okay, somebody's stupid enough to buy all these coins. You know what I'm saying? Go to sleep. I played a little Warzone, went to sleep, woke up the next morning. $550,000 market cap. At this point, I'm sweating my balls off. I'm like, wait a minute. Am I going viral? Am I making the next Shiba Inu? Am I making the next Dogecoin? You know what I'm saying? During that day, which is yesterday, you know what I'm saying, it reached a market cap of $1.2 million. I took 8 minutes out of my life to make a coin, well, to copy and paste a coin and change the name, and that coin in less than 24 hours was worth $1.2 million. What is life at this point? I don't even know. But so much has happened. I kind of want to catch you guys up, so we're going to do it really fast. First of all, I do have to point this out. Another YouTuber had done a video that was exactly like my other video, and I was not aware of it. It's a dude I actually watch on YouTube. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I think it's Bahiza. It's something like that. I'm going to put a big old picture of him right there. But he did the video first, and it's kind of having the same effects. I went and watched the video last night. Yeah, after somebody had told me that another YouTuber had done the same exact thing. So I went and watched it. I'm like, bro, what the heck is going on? I feel like I copied the dude. I never even seen the video, but I feel like I copied him. You know what I'm saying? But big props to him. He's making good content. Y'all go check him out and stuff like that. But so much has happened. My coin has a whole community and a whole team behind it. I want to point this out. I did not make a Telegram. I did not make a Twitter. I did not make nothing. But later on in this video, I am going to solidify the project by making a whole website where you can go and buy the coins on. Don't. Listen to me. Don't, because I'm not promising nothing out of this coin. The coin still does nothing. I'm still not a developer. I don't know how to turn it into an NFT and a gaming credit. I don't know how to do none of that. It's just a coin at this point that people are making a lot of money on. But I can't make any money on because that's indecent and I'd be a bad guy. But I'm going to solidify the project. I'm going to make a website for it real quick toward the later parts of this video. I'm also going to lock liquidity in there, so therefore spend my own money. Lock my own money into this coin so you guys can benefit off of it. Just because, you know, I'm a good dude, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But I'm also going to burn all of my tokens, so I therefore cannot dump it on anybody. It's kind of gonna suck when my Gemify token goes to the freaking moon and I calculate how much money I could have had if I just kept the gem tokens and someone accidentally sold 60,000 gem tokens worth 1.7 million. It's gonna suck when I could realize I could have sold it for like $100 million. But I don't need the money that bad, you know what I'm saying? And I would hate to have to dump it on my viewers and the community that is being built behind Gemify. So I'm gonna do all that towards the later end of the video. But I do have to update you guys on what the heck has happened in the past hours, you know what I'm saying? So first of all, I did not make any Twitter for it. I did not promote Gemify. I did not tell nobody to go buy it. If you see a Twitter, or Instagram, a Telegram, a Facebook, a freaking OnlyFans for Gemify, it's not me. I did not make it. The only thing I did was make the coin and post my video. I did not make any social media for it. So if you see it and you join these different chats, it was not started by me. I am not a moderator. I did not condone nothing that they're saying. People have made whole roadmaps for Gemify. I did not make that. I'm not promising nothing with the coin. I want to build this coin up enough where it could just be driven by the community. That's why I'm just gonna make a website, burn my tokens and do all that, so I have no say in it. It's gonna be just a community driven meme coin, kinda, yeah, that thingy. But people have made a whole Telegram chat about it, and somebody sent me the link to it, and I'm reading through it. People is making memes, people make channel art for it. There's a whole Gemify, first is a Gemify chat. But I didn't even know there's another layer, a Gemify team chat or Gemify mods or something like that. But that's like, they have developers in there, they got artists in there, they got some promoters and marketing experts in there. I'm like, well, what the heck is going on? I did not start none of this. I did not tell nobody to do any of this. I'm actually confused because I told y'all not to do it. And y'all didn't just go and buy the token. Y'all are now promoting and pushing and advertising and creating art for and roadmaps and white papers for these tokens. I'm genuinely confused. But I guess that's the world we live in these days. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to solidify the project. I'll tell you guys through what I do and all that to kind of show you guys that these meme coins, or what start off as meme coins, that's just how Dogecoin started, that's just how Shiba Inu started. These meme coins can be solidified and turned into real projects. I'm not saying I'm gonna turn into a huge, real big project, but I'm gonna solidify it more by verifying, making a website for it. I'm going to make lock liquidity in there. I'm going to burn all my tokens so it's equal for everybody else that is holding it. So this should be a fun video. Smash the like button like I said before, and honestly, let's just hop right into this. All right, so boom, here we are. This is the chart for my Gemify token. There are a couple of things that I did wrong that people have told me when I made the coin. Like I said, I'm not a developer. I'm not nothing. I've never done this before. I literally just copied and pasted the thing. But if you look over here at the total supply, it's 500. Well, technically 500. I made it 500, but if you watch my video, I sent 400,000 worth of the token back to the contract address because I thought, I don't even know what the heck I thought, but what I thought was not accurate. And now those tokens are gone. They did absolutely nothing. They basically took it out of the circulating supply. So technically, the only circulating supply is 100,000 gem tokens, which makes it extremely rare, which means the price moves very fast. So if someone were to spend like $100 on this right now, it's at 55 cents each token right now. If someone spent $100 on it right now, it could jump up to like 75 cents. If someone spent $1,000 on it right now, it will go to like $1.30. These are all hypothetical numbers, but I'm showing you guys how sensitive the price is. So this is like, people were telling me this is like one of the rarest tokens or something like that. I don't freaking know. I don't know what I did, but I did it. You know, well, I did know what I did because I'm smart. I'm probably the smartest crypto developer in the world. A lot of people come to me asking me to develop their cryptocurrencies, to allow their cryptocurrencies to become cryptocurrencies. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Right now it's trading at 55 cents per token. If we look up here, it had reached an all-time high of $3.20 per token, which if we come right here in my MetaMask wallet, we can actually see. Let me take my password in really quickly. My password is 123707 if anybody wants it. I'm still holding 63,000 gem tokens. So at one point, if we do the math, 63,000, let's just round it up to 64,000. 64,000 times $3.20 each. I was sitting on roughly $204,000 worth of gem tokens. Don't worry guys, I'm not gonna sell like 100%. I promise you guys I'm not gonna sell. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna burn my tokens so I can't sell. Or I'll show you guys my plan for burning my tokens. So I'm not gonna burn them all at once because that would make the price absolutely freaking skyrocket and everybody become millionaires except for me, and that would be pretty depressing. You know what I'm saying? But the liquidity is also very low right now. It's sitting at $4,700 worth of liquidity. You need liquidity to be able to trade this token. So I'm gonna put my own money in here to lock liquidity in here so people are still able to trade it. Now, I'm not gonna put $100,000 into here. In order for me to put all of my coins into liquidity, I would have to spend like $20,000 or lock like $20,000 of my own money into here, and I'm not gonna throw $20,000 so y'all can make money. I'm sorry, I love y'all, but not that much. So I got some money from Drip. I'm gonna throw that in here, you know what I'm saying? Lock it, and gradually I'll put more money in there as Drip pays me out and stuff like that. But that's another thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lock the liquidity, make a website, and burn my tokens so I do not hold that many tokens. And it'll also bring down the total supply as well, which will then boost the price. Now, I'm not gonna burn all the tokens all at once. I'm gonna burn them gradually over time. So like when people buy the token, if people buy the token, don't buy the token. I'm so serious. Don't buy the token because you can lose all your money. This is the riskiest trade you can ever be in because I'm not running it. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So don't trust me with your money. But if you a risk a daredevil and you got like $20 or something like that and you don't care about nothing, still don't buy it. Go buy Chipotle. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to you, Chipotle tastes good. But I'm going to do all that. And I guess the first step would be to lock the liquidity. Now, I didn't know how to do this, so I Googled it. But let's hop into it. Okay, so in order for us to even add liquidity, I have liquidity in there already, but I need to add more. I did not realize, I thought I had a lot more in Drip that I could add to liquidity, but I only have like $800 in there. Like I said, I'm not gonna put $1 million of locked liquidity into here that I cannot get back. I'm really just kind of giving this money away. So I'll gradually put more money in because my Drip is bringing me in like $700 a day or something like that. So I'll just put that in every day for the next couple of days. But I think I have like $800 worth of it. We're just gonna come to liquidity right now. How I hold 104 liquidity tokens of Gem and BNB, but I'm gonna add some more as of right now, and then I'm going to lock it. So let's do BNB and Gem, and let's just max out our BNB that we're allowed to put in there. Actually, let's take this off so I have enough for gas fees. So that would lock in 1.6 BNB and 1,340 Gem tokens. Let's just press supply really quickly, confirm supply, and confirm here, and close. Once that goes through, then there's this website right here called team.finance that I'll be able to lock my liquidity in. So let's see if this went through and it locked the liquidity. Add liquidity, boom, it did it. So now let's go to team.finance. I actually don't know how to use this. I've never used it before, but we're gonna go through it for the first time. We're just gonna connect our wallet, press connect, and let's go to lockups. I think that's gonna work. Pretty sure that makes sense. Binance Smart Chain, yep. Continue, okay. Liquidity tokens, let's do that. Continue, okay. Pancake swap pair address, what is that? Okay, I think it would have to be here or something. Where? I'll be right back. Okay, so I found it, it's right here. We're just gonna paste our pair address in there. Let's press select, and then we're going to max lock it. Well, lock all of my liquidity tokens in there, and it lets me choose how long I can do it. How do I do it for half a day so I get my money back? I'm just playing. How long should I do it? Let's just say 30 days. And will I be able to get my money back in 30? Is that how it works? I've never locked liquidity before, as you guys can see. We'll do it for 30 days. We'll lock it for 30 days. We'll just leave it at 30. Let's just do approve lock, confirm, and then once that goes through, we're gonna press lock, cake, LP. Therefore, I would not be able to take any of the liquidity out. I would not be able to rug pull you guys, or if you guys even trust me, look at me, I'm trustworthy. You guys think I would take your money? You know what I'm saying? No, I'm not that type. I'm not that type of guy. Unless Gem tokens start selling for $100 million each, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to take some profit. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I can't because I'm gonna burn my tokens. Let's just press lock, confirm lock. I'm not reading none of this stuff. I'm just clicking. Insufficient funds. I don't got no more gas fees. Oh my God, I'll be right back. All right, let's try this again. Lock, cake, LP, confirm lock. And confirm. There goes my money. Okay, so it says it is done. Yep, lock tokens. We're good right here. Confirmed. Bet. So the next step would be for me to make a website, which I'm going to do very quickly because I am probably the quickest website maker in the entire world. We're just to press get started. And I'll fill all this out and then I'll be back just creating my website. All right, now we're ready to get started. Like I told you guys, I'm probably one of the fastest website makers in the entire world. Just watch this. Done. Gemifycoin.com. Here it is. I told you guys do not buy it, but of course you guys are not going to listen to me. You guys are going to go ahead and buy it. So here's a quick tour of the website. Boom. Gemify is a community-driven meme token that has purchased the first guy, blah, blah, blah. Don't click. Big button. Big button. Obviously, you're going to click it. Disclosure, because y'all not finna sue me. Let's be honest here. Y'all not finna sue me. Don't click. You click it. Then it brings you to the... There it goes. Then it brings you to the page where you have everything else. You have the contract address. You can click to see the chart. You can click to go to Pancake swap and put the contract address there. So I made it very simple for anybody that wants to lob money into the abyss, because you're probably not going to make money on it unless this thing actually skyrockets how it has been doing previously. But now on the last step of kind of solidifying this in my eyes, I am now going to burn some tokens. I'm not going to burn all of mine. If we look right here, I'm still holding 62,000 gem tokens, which I told you guys the real circulating supply is only 100,000. So I'm holding 62% of the entire circulating supply as of right now. I'm going to burn some of it, but not all of it, because if I burn all of it, it will create a price shock, and I don't think we want that. But it's also incentive where I think I'm gonna burn it at certain milestones. I'm thinking, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Y'all let me know. Y'all can hit me up in the comments. Give me ideas on how often I should burn tokens. I had one person give me an idea where it's like when it reaches a certain amount of holders, like right now, the holders is sitting at, we have 65 holders as of right now. When it reaches 100 owners, burn 20% or something like that. Y'all let me know. But right now, I'm just gonna burn 10% of it as of right now. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have this burn address right here, and all we're going to do is take this copy address to clipboard. We're gonna come to MetaMask, and we're just gonna burn technically 10% of our gem tokens, which comes out to roughly 6,200 tokens. So that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna come here, press send. Type in the address that we just copied, which is X000000, all that other stuff. And we need to send 6,200 tokens here. And let's press next and go for it. Boom, so we're sending it now. I think I fixed it. And we'll go to the transaction ID or view on Black Explorer just to make sure it goes through. Pending, 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 pending. Boom, it is now a success. I have now sent it. As we look inside our MetaMask, it is now gone out of gem. So I made a website, I locked liquidity, and I burned some tokens, and I'll continue to burn tokens as time goes on. What am I doing? I am making a project. I have made the next Bitcoin. You can now refer to me as Satoshi Miscom. I don't know how to say his name, but the Bitcoin guy. Refer to me as that. But this was fun. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? If you're invested in Gem, good luck, because you're probably gonna need it. I don't know where this coin is going to go. I know where it's at now, but only time will tell. And if you have any other ideas that I should do to more so legitimize the project, if you have any other ideas, I want to create NFTs. I want to create an NFT. I have a great NFT project. I was talking about it on Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, @Joovier_. But I have a whole project idea for NFTs that I think would be absolutely amazing and help you guys make some additional money in your pockets. And it'll be fun, you know what I'm saying? But we'll see what this Gemify does. Like I said, my hands are washed. I have nothing to do with the project now. It's all up to the community if you guys want to push it, if you guys want to just let it die. Does not matter to me. I can obviously not benefit from it, but I also don't lose from it. So it's a double-double for me, you know what I'm saying? But look at all your gems. Look at all your gems. Good luck on your gems again, because you're going to need all the luck you can have. Good luck on just life as a whole, man. I'm going to see you on the next video.